For a long time, I didn't know gratitude is like a skill you can level up. But I've done the 2 gratitude practices I will show you today, and I generally literally feel like 10 times as happy as I would before. So, gratitude is the skill of being thankful. And the benefits of gratitude are that it will increase your health, happiness, life expectancy, and some other things. And it's like a skill you can level up through just doing like these practices for like 5 minutes a day, and it will boost your happiness by so much. So the first practice you can do to level up your gratitude is a gratitude journaling. So gratitude journaling is writing down a couple of points you're grateful. Like I am grateful for a camera I'm filming with, so I can record YouTube videos, and I do that at the same time every day. In a gratitude journal, I'll write it down, and it's really a powerful habit you can do. You can also like do it aligned with a couple of apps you can use, but I generally feel the most gratitude when I write it down on paper. And when you write it down, go think about it a moment and spend some time in that gratitude feeling. And in the beginning, it may seem like a little awkward and weird, but it will really get better as time goes on. So the other method is gratitude letters. That is where you will write a letter or a text message to someone that you're grateful for them and why you're grateful for them. You don't really have to send it, but I would recommend sending it. But when you don't want to, you will have to. But just the writing itself is pretty powerful. Also, a way to increase gratitude. And these are 2 simple methods. Just pick one and go for it, and do it every day for 5 minutes, and you will see your life and your habits transform. Please begin now. Go level up your gratitude.